Hi, what we have here is a quick video on how to gain access to a hard drive on a laptop Dell E5540 or 5420. This is a 5420. First, remove the battery. There's two holders here, and it will flip up. The laptop has 4 screws. We already removed them with a precision screwdriver. And just flip it to the front, and here's the hard drive located. It has an adapter to connect it. I'm gonna use something like a kitchen knife. It's gonna help me just push it up, and it has an adapter here that goes into the drive. Now I'm gonna insert this adapter and insert the drive back. And that's it.